Hey guys, this is just a quick tap tone demonstration video. I'm going to compare some old growth Torrified AA Adirondack for acoustic guitar top to regular old growth Adirondack. Same grade AA. So I'm just going to hold it up to the mic, tap it. I'll let you guys be the judge on what you hear. All right, that was the Torrified. Now we're gonna do the non-Torrified old growth Adirondack, and I'm holding them in the same place, right about, just kind of in there from the corner, and it's pretty consistent. But I mean, you can rotate it around, and get different, hold different places. But I'm trying to keep it consistent here for this. I mean, to my ears, I'd say this is stiffer, harder, in a sense. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to be harder in a way that it sounds better. But I think there's just more moisture in the wood too, so it's, because it's not Torrified. But this almost sounds harder to me. And the other one has a little bit, the Torrified rings out a little more. There we go. Now I'm kind of liking that better. Alright, try this one more time. Try this other piece. Alright, well, there's a comparison for you. So, and generally speaking, the whole reason behind doing that, if you're not aware of why luthiers do that, is to check the harmonic frequencies in the wood and the possibilities of what it could sound like. But in a nutshell, what we want is a bright, clear, bell-like tone, and in turn that's going to give us potentially louder, brighter, more volume projecting guitar, because you can then make the top thinner and it can move more because it weighs less and it's stiffer for its weight ratio, and it's gonna flex and move that volume and push it forward out of the guitar better. And there's also a ton of opinions and things that can't really be proven about tap tuning too. So I'm just gonna leave it at that and let you guys be the judge. Thanks.